lies about. What's up guys, back in another video, and oh my god, guess what? Done. My two oh my god, it's, I'm not sure why it's called the Magic Cube, but it's freaking awesome. Like, blocks, Magic Cube speed, interesting thing. It took me about 3 weeks to wait. Magic Cube speed, funny, I don't know why. And 3 years olds are not allowed to use this, alright? So, let's open it. Oh yeah, it even comes with an instruction booklet. How to actually solve the whole thing. But I'll teach you how to do that today. Alright, so, I might show you the instructions later, so. Let's check it out. The turning is amazing. Let's kind of mix it up. I'll be back. After when you get your cube scrambled, you want to do this. So find use a Y, for example. And after look at the bottom. If you want that to go up here, and you need to find a corner piece up here. And you want to get orange up to here and green up to here. So you do this down layer, then this down, after this down, and this up. See, we've got these two lined up, and maybe even 3. Now we find another one, because there's another pink and a blue, so repeat the same thing. See, we've got all the middle layers up. Now, if you have, show you the instruction booklet. I learned it. I didn't learn it. I just knew how to do it from YouTube. I just learned it before I got it. So, you see this? You may have 0 in this. Maybe you have 1 square down there, 1 square down there, 2 on these, 2 on this, and 2 on this, or maybe the full thing. If you have 2 on this and 2 yellows, you see you have to complete, so you have to do this OR, inverted U, F, inverted U, F, OR. And after I'll teach you how to do that after. Alright, so you do this, then OR, U, F inverted, so turn the front face anti-clockwise, and after you go U, F, you have to look at the bottom, and after go up. After this, you've got the yellow. After you're on your last step from solving your first 2 by 2, almost like a last step. So maybe I'll teach you how to solve the 3 by 3 later. So yeah. So if you want to learn by yourself, so here's the instruction. Look up L, F, L, back twice. Left, F, not left, L up, F clockwise, L down, L inverted, down, oh yeah, that's L inverted, that's L, and this is back twice and down twice on the left, L2, so you may have this, so your goal is to get that, and after goes to get that. You can just look closely, or yeah, on the white thing. So that closes it perfectly. So you go, first of all, look for 1 square like this. It's like here, or maybe the ones that don't even have any. So you want to go like this. Left, front, inverted, anti-clockwise. I'm gonna go and down again. Look at the back of you, like on the top part. Then go back. And after go, this time you go up. After you go clockwise. After you go down, left. And after you go back twice, then left, twice, and after you've got this. You're supposed to have it like this, or at the start you would have had like that, and you would have repeat the same thing. So here, you want to repeat the same thing but without any squares, like in one there. So, or if you don't have any ones, you have one square in the right place, just keep doing it until you don't get no. After you do it one more time, your cube will be solved. So, as I said, L, F, L, back twice, after L, upwards, clockwise, L downwards, back twice, down twice, and after you're one step away from solving your first 2x2. All solved. Actually, if you after, where's my instruction? Here. And after, at the end, it has a little surprise saying, like, I can't really read it because it's blurry. Come on. So, after the to-do sequence B, if your cube looks like this in the picture, it's congratulations! This is about congratulations. So first let's go through L, F, anti-clockwise, L, back twice, L, upwards, front clockwise, L, like where you go down, as I said, back twice, and after L twice, so like go down, go left. Now I'll show you the yellow. So as I said, look at this. It's like how would your cube end up with these color patterns, and just keep repeating them until you get any square. So or U, F, so or down, U up, like turn the thing up after. But just learn it from YouTube. So front, anti-clockwise, up. Now the different way, like see now which way you have to turn after F clockwise and after or up, so you can get the pattern. And after you have to do this. I accidentally said to do showed you that first, but you have to do this first and after do the middle layer. And after the middle layer, you have to do the yellow. And after the yellow, when you get all the yellow, you have to do this sequence that I showed you. So guys, if you have a 2x2, you can just do this trick. See? Will automatically solve. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, see you next time. Bye!
We can make a wildfire getaway.